Hey, you look like you need a little education on where to get a nice cocktail. Guess I'm going to have to send you to the principal's office. This bar is located in the lobby of the Amelia Schoolhouse Inn in downtown Fernandina Beach. Built back in 1886, this upscale cocktail bar's historical flair gives patrons quite the unique experience.
I love coming to the principal's office because the ladies who work here are amazing and the cocktails are very thoughtful.
Allie is going to take care of us tonight, and man, is she an A-plus bartender. Just ask Christy.
Allie makes the best drink. She creates the menus, and you just feel comfortable here.
Hey Colleen, how's it going?
It's going great.
What can I get for you to drink today?
I think I'm gonna start with the Loudmouth.
It's coming right up.
The Loudmouth consists of reposado tequila, Ancho Reyes chili liqueur, a jalapeno and cucumber blend, lime, simple syrup, and celery bitters.
Here you go.
Now let's mingle.
I don't remember which one's my favorite.
I like the study buddy.
I like the loudmouth.
Of course you did.
What are we thinking for round two?
I think I want something a little oaky.
How about the school's out?
Let's do it. The School's Out consists of black tea-infused bourbon, honey simple syrup, and sweet tea bitters. Whoa, Allie. You're really good with that blowtorch.
I really enjoy the people. They have some of the best bartenders on the island. They come up with some of the best craft cocktails that you can get anywhere.
All right, Colleen, are we thinking one more?
Yes, but I can't decide.
How about my favorite, the bonfire?
I trust you, Allie. The bonfire consists of mezcal, lemon juice, lime juice, Ancho Reyes chili liqueur, simple syrup, and topped with an Aperol and orange foam. All right, people, now I need to know. Did you ever get sent to the principal's office?
I did not. I was so good until I was like 21, and then all downhill
All
from there.
downhill from
Yes.
Yeah, I went to the principal's office all the time.
I skipped so many days that they wouldn't let me graduate. True story. I had 2 senior years.
Okay, my beautiful bar-going buddies, you guys head on out of here. It seems I got into a bit of trouble. Nobody puts Colleen in the corner. I'll catch you next time on Beaches, Bars, and Bungalows.